Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Ty Lue offensive wizardry lands him in top 5 list of NBA coaches. As much pressure as Kawhi Leonard and James Harden have on their respective shoulders, the same can be said for Ty Lue. The head coach is now steering a ship filled with more holes than a block of Swiss cheese. Lue, who won an NBA championship with the Cleveland Cavs in 2016, must navigate the tough Western Conference and maximize a Clippers roster that lost Paul George and failed to replace him with top-tier talent. Thankfully for Lue, his extensive work in guiding the Clippers through injuries to star players is being recognized. In a CBS Sports ranking of the best NBA coaches, Lue was among the 5 best in the league. Frustration is part of the Ty Lue experience. For all of Lue's experience and savvy, Sam Quinn of CBS Sports describes the former NBA guard as a frustrating coach because he's adept at making quick adjustments that can help his team win games. However, this also leaves one to ask why he didn't use this tactic in the first place. He'll talk about having a plan to fix a broken defense but saving it for the playoffs rather than allowing his players to build habits over time. He'll turn the Clippers into a 26-5 juggernaut, but not until he's wasted a couple of weeks starting Russell Westbrook next to James Harden. That's the essence of the Lue experience. He gets to the right place, just not as quickly as you'd hope, Quinn remarked of Lue. A well-respected coach. Lue is an offensive genius with unparalleled skill at making magic happen after timeouts. Lue has gained considerable respect across the league. You know you have locker room credibility when you can get away with telling LeBron James to shut the F up, Quinn added. That said, the Clippers need Lue's very best this season. With a roster teeming with defensive potential but lacking teeth on the offensive end, Lue will have to find ways to maximize his players' strengths while minimizing their weaknesses. Related, why are Ty Lue and Lawrence Frank under so much scrutiny?